Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to convert a text to video from OpenAI Sora on your iPhone. So if you want to convert a text to video OpenAI Sora but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Sora AI on a device. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you just need to open the Sora AI app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Sora, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar, and here you will see the option of plus like icon highlighted on white. So click on it, and from here you just need to describe a new video. So you just need to give a prompt to the Sora AI describing the scene, character, motion or audio which you want to generate, or also you may upload a still image from a phone to animate it. So if you want to upload a photo, you may simply add it from here, but if you want your text to convert into video, you just need to type the text like this. So I'm just writing a random text, and here you will see the option of arrow like icon. So click on it, and here you'll see the options generating like this. So if you go on your profile, the videos will be on draft, and you may simply edit it from there and upload it. So that's it. That's how you can convert the text to video on OpenAI Sora. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.